Hello everyone, welcome back to my crochet creations and YouTube channel. So today's in this video I will be showing you how to crochet this crop top, and this crop top name is two color crop top. So you can see here this is a strap and I make half double crochet, double crochet, and then this is a maze pattern. So now let's get into the video. Or you can see here I have total of 115 chains, so it's a medium size chains. If you want more larger you can add more chains. So now I'm going to join this part, make a slip knot in the first chain here, chain 1 and turn around and make a half double crochets. If you make half double crochets, we will go fast and it can be transparent. So just make half double crochets all over the chain until the end of the row. You can see I make a total of 115 half double crochet. So now I'm in the last stitch. So in the last chain I'm going to join this pattern. Into the first stitches I'm going to make slip knot and chain 1, turn around. Okay, we are making half double crochets all over the chains until we reach the end of the row. You can see here I made a total of 8 chains, 8 rows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I make a total of 8 rows. Now I'm going to switch the color here. So I'm going to add this color into this crop top. First of all, I'm going to end of this crop top, this color. I actually made 2 types of color here, so the name is two color crop top. Now I'm gonna cut the yarn. So tied. So here I'm going to switch the color in this part here. Chain 1 and then turn around my work and then make half double crochets into the chains. So I'm going to make half double crochet into all of the chains or until the end of the row. So we changed or switched the color like this. So continue making all of the half double crochet until the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn around. I already turned around the chain, so now keep making half double crochet until the end of row 3. So I'm going to make row 3 of this color, and this is only for the chest. I added 8 chains, so I made 8 chains here and here also 8 chains. So now I'm going to end this pattern here, and I'm going to cut the yarn. So you can see I cut the yarn. So for now, I'm going to add the color. Again, I'm going to add green color, and then I'm going to make mesh pattern. So for mesh pattern, I'm going to make chain 3, chain 3. So now skip 1 chain and make half double crochets. Not half double crochet, it's double crochet. So again, make double crochets, skip 1 chain and make double crochets. So I'm going to continue my pattern until we reach the row 5. This is the row 1, and again I'm going to add 4 row. So this is a 8 row. So now I'm going to make 5 row. So I finished making this mesh pattern. Now I'm going to make straps for the 2 side of hand arm part. So I'm going to make straps here, and I measure with my soldier arm. So I'm going to make here straps part. I'm going to measure like this. So I already marked here, and now I'm going to mark here too. So this is my straps mark. So I'm going to make chain 4. Here I'm going to make chain 4. One, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1, turn around, 1 2 3 and 4. Again chain 1, turn around. So continue making single crochet. Make a straps which is fit for medium size level, or if you want to add more rows in straps you can add more for a large size. So I going to continue my work until I reach the last row. So here you can see I already make straps and it can be fit for medium size. So I will join it later after making another straps. So I'm going to join the straps. I already make both side straps, so now this is the last part of the crop top, 2-color crop top. So here I'm going to join. So I'm going to join here. So I join the straps. So next I'm going to join next straps. Here you can see my 2-color crop top is ready, and then I have to cut it by the help of scissors because it's look messy. So if I turn around it looks nice. So my 2-color knit crop top is ready. So here you can see I make straps, and then this is a mesh, and you can see I make double crochet, and then this is half double crochet and mesh pattern. So my crop top is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like my video, and if you guys love my video, don't forget to give likes, subscribes and comments. Thank you. Bye bye.